So one of the things that we wanted with the wider tires on the trike, and these are 4 inches, is what?
All terrain.
And so does that mean, can you ride across the grass with this?
Absolutely.
Okay, well
You
show
wanna
us.
see me?
Yeah.
Okay. Put on one.
Put it on.
Let go of the brake. The brake's free. Okay? There
On
we
one
go.
or two? One?
One.
Okay.
Look how quick I turn. I went 2 miles an hour.
Okay. So now I have one more question for you.
Yeah.
I think. You know me, I have lots of questions. Are you paid in any way to endorse this product or the person that put it together?
Yeah, they're gonna give me $1.5 million.
Oh, $1.5 million, right?
Yeah. No, I'm not affiliated with nobody. I just seen the advertising on the internet. I said, well, we gotta check it out.
And we weren't sure we were going to buy it, right?
No, not when we went to North Carolina. We were just going out there to check it out.
And when we got there and you rode it around, there's a parking lot.
Big parking lot.
How long did it take you to decide this is the one you want?
2, maybe 3 minutes.
3 minutes, because compared to the other ones.
Yeah, a whole lot different. The person needs a spindle. And see the spindle? For the pedaling?
Yeah.
It's in the front. Most of them are in the back.
Okay. And how about the price?
We
Was it a
probably
good
saved
price? Don't
about
say the price.
$800.
Yes, over the other bikes that we were looking at that were
Yeah.
comparable, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to
And
put
not
it.
to mention, because of my sister, wheeling and dealing, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 extra things for free.
Okay. So let me be very frank. Todd was very amiable to helping us out.
And he answered the questions before we asked.
So he answered lots of questions before you went there. He answered questions after we made the purchase.
Correct.
Okay. And but he hooked us up. The whole bike was assembled. We couldn't test it, and we weren't going to buy something untested, right? I was sort of half tempted about 3 weeks ago to buy something off the internet, and after researching, this was one of those that I was considering, probably the one, because of the seat. Again, because how he gets on or off the bike is,
What are you talking about?
you see how you could just get on or off the bike. It's very easy for him, and as you could see, he's yeah. He didn't put his helmet on. You should always wear a helmet when riding the bike, right?
Yeah.
So he's got the helmet in there. He's got his the tripod for his camera on the back, right?
Yeah.
You could see how unsteady on his feet he is, right? If you see him shaking and that dancing that he does. Unfortunately, that's the disease, the ataxia getting him. But this is why we needed something that was solid, good balance, could assist him when he needed it. But the good... Okay. And is it safe to say you're over 200 pounds? I'm not going to tell him how much. Okay?
Yeah. I'm at least 240.
All right.
Maybe 260.
So...
Hey, I ain't gonna tell nobody.
So, anyway, dare I admit, I am taller than he. I am 6'2", and I rode this bike some too today. Not very far, around the parking lot at the place before we bought it, and then around here once we got home, right? And again, we're in Georgia, so good riding weather down here today. And I'm just totally thrilled. So this is like the third video we did on it. I just wanted this for people with ataxia or seniors, right? Either one, to know about this bike. If they're considering buying a trike, they should really check this one out.
It's a lot more money than you would think, but it's well worth it.
Yes, a little more money than what you would think. I think the list price right now is $15.99. This is February or March, whatever, 4th, 2026. And this is one battery, and I may have said this, I only wanted one battery, no two batteries. No,
two batteries.
Okay, if on the tour,
yeah.
And you could put two batteries on this one, but I don't want that because it's more money. It's a battery management system, and he's not going that far. This is about exercise. If he rides with pedal assist and does this, he'll get 40 miles. 40 miles on a charge, easy. Okay? That's what they say. Actually, some of them say 60. But I'm going to say it's supposed to do 40. I'll let you know if it does otherwise. This is a very upfront and honest video. But real thrilled with stability. Real thrilled how easy you can pedal for exercise. And thrilled with how intuitive it is to read the controller. So that's where we are. Thanks for listening to us. Hope this helps you. I'm a real person. You can email me or text me and I'll respond back. If you see it, you can look at my YouTube videos. They're all things around my house. I am not a professional bike salesperson either. I'm just telling you honestly, giving you the benefit of our research. Thanks. Bye-bye.